Fun facts: penguins can jump up to 6 feet in the air. Despite their waddling gait on land, penguins are powerful swimmers and agile jumpers. Some penguin species can jump up to 6 feet in the air, using their flippers to launch themselves out of the water or over obstacles on land. Penguins are known for their acrobatic abilities, which are essential for their survival in their natural habitat. They use their jumping skills to evade predators, catch prey, and navigate their environment. The world's oldest piece of chewing gum is over 9,000 years old. The world's oldest piece of chewing gum is believed to be over 9,000 years old and was discovered by an archaeology student in Sweden. The gum was made from birch bark tar and was chewed by people in the region for its antibacterial properties and as a form of pain relief. The discovery of ancient chewing gum has provided insight into the dietary habits and medicinal practices of ancient civilizations. Other ancient civilizations, such as the Greeks and Mayans, also chewed gum made from natural resins and plant materials. The longest word in the English language has 189,819 letters and takes over 3 hours to pronounce. The longest word in the English language is the chemical name for the protein, titin. The full name of this protein consists of 189,819 letters and takes over 3 hours to pronounce. Titin is the largest known protein and plays a key role in muscle contraction. While the full name of titin is rarely used, it is sometimes cited as an example of the complexities and idiosyncrasies of the English language. A cockroach can live for several weeks without its head. Cockroaches are known for their ability to survive in extreme conditions, and this includes being able to live for several weeks without their head. Cockroaches have an open circulatory system and can breathe through small holes in their body called spiracles, which allows them to continue to function for a short period without their head. However, they will eventually die due to dehydration or hunger, as their mouth is located on their head and they will be unable to eat or drink. The unicorn is the national animal of Scotland. The unicorn is the national animal of Scotland, a choice that may seem surprising given the mythical nature of the creature. The unicorn has been associated with Scotland for centuries and is thought to represent purity, strength, and freedom. It is also believed to be a symbol of Scotland's links to the natural world and its rugged and untamed landscape. Despite being a mythical creature, the unicorn holds a special place in Scottish folklore and is a beloved symbol of the country's heritage and traditions.